So, hi students, today in this section we are going to discuss about worksheet 2.3 A to E Romans. So, I am going to explain A Roman, read the question there, write the place values of the digit 8 in each of the following numbers. So, in 4 numbers are here, there, in 4 numbers, in each and every number 8 is there, we have to write the place value of that 8. So, here I am going to explain 1 and 3 Roman sums here. So, in first sum, 8 in which place? So, write the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. When you are going to write the place values means we must write the places there. When you are going to write the number name, then you have to write the periods only, no need to write the places. Understood? Here we are going to write the place value of 8. No, what is the place value of 8? What is the place of 8 here? Hundreds place. We have to multiply that digit with that place, then we will get the place value. So, 8 is the digit, that is it is in hundreds place, so that we have to multiply 8 with 100, then we will get the 800 as the place value of that 8. So, now coming to the third one. So, here also you have to write the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So, here what is the place value of the 8 means that 8 should be multiplied with that place. What is the place of that 8? 10,000. So, write the 10,000 there, it will become 80,000. So, 80,000 is the place value of that 8 in the third one. So, like that you have to complete the 2 and 4 also. Okay. Now, coming to B Roman. So, in B Roman, fill in the blanks. Here we are going to fill the blanks there. So, first one. So, first one is given like this. You have to write the places ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands and 10,000s. So, here what is the 10,000s place? 5 is in 10,000s, 5, 10,000s. You have to write the 5 in that blank. How many thousands are here? 8 thousands are here, 8,000s place. And next 6 hundreds are there, 6 in this blank you have to fill, and 3 tens, 2 ones. Okay, like this simply you can complete this like this. Understood? You can complete, this is easy for you I think. No need to explain the remaining things, you can complete the remaining things. Okay, 2, 3, 4 sums have to complete in B Roman. Okay, now I am going to explain the C Roman. So, coming to the C Roman, in the C Roman put commas between the periods in the following numbers using the Indian place value system. This is the C Roman. In this C Roman, I am going to explain 1, 5 and 8 here. So, observe the first sum here. First, you have to copy that number again. So, we are going to put the commas according to the Indian place value system. In Indian place value system, in first period, ones period, in ones period 3 places will be there, ones, tens, hundreds. After that remaining in periods 2 places will be there. So, here ones period 3 places will be there, you have to put ones period here, you have to write and put comma. In next thousands period 2 places will be there, after comma lakhs period 2 places will be there. Like that you have to write divide that number into periods and put commas according to the periods. That is only the thing you have to do in this Roman. Okay, no need to write any expanded form and any place value, face value and number name, no need to write anything. You must divide that number into periods and put commas according to that periods. Here also these 3 will become ones period and put comma, these 2 will become thousands period after comma, these 2 are lakhs period after comma, it will be the crores period. So, this is when you completed the putting commas, after that all of you try to read that number here. 27 in lakhs period, 27 lakhs 65,819. Like that you have to read here 6 crores 78 lakhs 54,921. Like that here also you have to do like that only in 8th one. Ones period, these 2 are thousands period, these 2 are lakhs and it is crores period. Every period after you have to put comma and read that number 8 crores 22 lakhs 49,157. Like that you have to do the remaining sums with the using of this help of these models. Okay. Now, I am going to explain the D Roman. So, D Roman, read the question, write the following numbers in figures. So, already number name is there. For that number name, you have to read that number name and write the number for that number name. So, first one I am going to explain here. Already number name is there, read that number name 82 lakhs 36,415. So, 82 lakhs up to 80 lakhs means 10 lakhs, up to 10 lakhs place you have to write here first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Up to 10 lakhs you have to write the places, then you have to fill the read the number again and fill the numbers in that particular places. So 82 lakhs means 82. So 82 you have to fill in lakhs period. 82 in lakhs period, 82 lakhs after you put comma, and in thousands period 36,000. So 36,000 in thousands period you have to write the 36 in thousands period. Next 415. So 400s place and 15. 15 means 1 in tens place, 5 in ones place you have to write. Write that you have like that you have to complete the number for the number name. Understood? And like that only you can complete the remaining. I am going to explain the second one also here. Read the second one. So 40 lakhs 82,901. So here 40 lakhs means up to 10 lakhs place, again you have to write the places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So here what is the highest place? 40 lakhs. So you have to write 40 in lakhs period, and next 82,000 in thousands period, and next 901, 9 in hundreds place, 1 in ones place. What about the tens place? Tens place not given, so that we have to write the 0 in tens place. Understood? Like that you have to write the number for the number name. Okay. So now I am going to explain the E Roman. In D Roman 5 sums are there. I explained 2 sums, remaining 3 sums you have to complete. And first we have to complete what sums I explained, then you have to do the remaining. Okay. Now coming to the E Roman. In E Roman question, read that, write the following numbers in words. Means you have to write the number name for that. Already commas are given. You have to already the number is divided into Indian place value system. So now we are going to write the places periods there, then go for writing the number name. So now I am going to explain the first one here. So first one is given like this. So here these 3 are ones period, these 2 are thousands, and this is lakhs. So when you are going to write the number name means you can write the periods only, no need to write the places, all places you can no need to write. So when you are going to write the number for the number name, you have to write all places there. Okay. When you are going to write the number name means you have to write the periods only. Okay. Here 62 lakhs, 12,482. Like that you have to read, like that only you have to write the number name. Okay. 62 lakhs. You have to write the inverse for that, 62 lakhs 12,482. So this is the number name for this, 62 lakhs 12,482. Like this you have to write the number name for that number. Now I am going to explain the fourth one also in this Roman. Here this is the number is given, divide that into periods. Here ones period, after the thousands period, this is lakhs period, and this is crores period. So now we are going to read the number 8 in crores, 8 crores, 08 means 8 lakhs and 24,705. Like that you have to write the number name. Okay. So like this you have to write the number name. So 8 crores, 8 lakhs, 24,705. Like that you have to write the number name. Already place is given for the number name. You can write there only. Understood? Like this, using these models you can complete the remaining sums also.